Hello again, I'm Mel, and my channel hopes to help you write better in a quicker way. In today's video, we'll slay with words. Better words. A word is an idea. Simple word means a simple idea. A simple idea, simple thinking. A better word, on the other hand, means a better idea. Better idea, better thinking. And that's what we should go for. Strong writers not only copy others' work, but those who can synthesize information and produce quality output of their own. Today's goal is to develop higher order, multifaceted writing skill. What does higher order mean? It is a kind of writing which makes you not only able to identify, analyze, and comprehend, but also develop ideas, preferably your own. As a result, you become strong, effective, and engaging writers. How? Good question. By showing, not not telling. Make your writing explicit. Make it very clear or vivid. Take it further with high order thinking and writing skills. Confused? Higher order thinking translates to higher level writing. How can we achieve it? Make your idea explicit. People need to see it. Remember, if it doesn't show in your writing or in how you talk, it's probably still only in your head. Or maybe not in your head at all. This is how the language learning process works. We have different kinds of inputs, then we synthesize them and produce our own. Okay, let's just say you've had enough input activities. Let's focus more on the synthesizing and creating output parts. For starters, let's have these sentences. So, you listen to a song, synthesize it in your heart and mind, then you say, you feel good. Not a bad sentence, but could be better. Let's take the one example in the previous slide. I feel good. Maybe you can also say, how good? And why good? And what makes you say good? Or what do you mean by good? Here are a couple of ways you can improve that sentence. You can probably say, I feel good after listening to a very cheerful, energetic song. Or you can say, I feel cheerful. I feel energetic. You can also say, I listened to an uplifting or inspiring song, so I now feel good. Or I now feel uplifted. I feel inspired. Or you can say, I just listened to a song whose message is so self affirming. It makes you feel good. I feel self affirmed. I feel good every time I listen to the song. Its beat is up. Better? I feel up. I feel energized. Or I feel reinvigorated because I just listened to an upbeat song. So I hope you now have a better idea of why I said I feel good is not good enough. So the goal is hit the nail right. Give things their proper context. Your context. So tell us more with better words. Take a look at these examples. It's now the meal. What makes you say that you feel good after a meal, or that a meal is good? Maybe your story reads like this. First of all, it's prepared by my mom, who is a good cook, and obviously has a lot of love for me. So that's a good meal, a proper, nourishing, savoring meal, and prepared with love, not only for my money. You know what I mean? So now you should know why I feel good after having that good meal. Let's just feel good. Let's try with the place is good, and let me show you why. Here's a bonus for you. The person is good. I mean, the person has solid skills, or is skillful, speaks and writes well, has a good heart, or is good hearted. The person is not a criminal or morally corrupt. You see, that's what I mean by the person is good. Clearer picture? So, how to slay with words? You show, not tell. Make it explicit. You use high order thinking and writing skills. Hit the nail right. Give writing proper context. Deeply engaging means very clear writing. And remember, words are ideas. Better words convey better ideas or paint better pictures. And that's the end of today's training. Thanks for watching and see you next time.